Hello everyone, now we'll be drawing a little bird. Start off by drawing two curved lines and then add on the beak. Add on the top of this hen as well and then the portion underneath the beak. Add on the wings and then the eyes. At the bottom, add the feet of this little hen. Once you are done, add on the tail and then you may choose to color it in as you please. We have chosen to add multiple little feathers to the back. Next, start off by drawing a flower and then right underneath this flower, add on a little bush-like shape. At the top of it, add on two ear-like shapes and then fold over one of the ears. Add layers to it as such. Add a little nose as well as some eyes and then add little eyelashes to it as well. Add a cute little smile to it. Add the back, add hands and the rest of the body. Next, draw this triangular-like shape out of which one of the sides is curved. Add a little snout and then add ears to it which will be connected to the snout. Add the neck, the rest of the legs and then add a bushy tail to the back. Then begin to color it in. We have chosen to use the color orange in order to color it in as such. Do this completely except for the tip of the tail. Now start off by drawing a circular shape and then add two ears to it. Add eyes as well and then add a little winking shape to the eyes as such. Add a little nose and a smiley face to it. Add the hands as well as the legs and then make the body a little bit plumpy as such. Next, start off by drawing an almost ovular shape to the bottom and add two circles within this ovular shape. On top of this, add on the body of the truck. Add the back as well and then in the front add the little scooper machine of it. Then let it hang down as such. Add on the small little connecting details as such. Next, take a marker, add an ovular shape and then add another circular shape to this. Right underneath it, add another circular shape and underneath this circular shape, add an ovular shape. Color it all in. You have made an ant. Add the eyes in the front as well and then add the little antenna to it. Then at the bottom, add the little legs to it. To each of the circle, add about 2 legs to it. Finally, this little ant will have about 6 legs. Using the white marker, add the details of the body. Take a blade and then take a crayon and then shave off a little bit of this crayon as such. Spread it around using your fingers in different circles. Then use a black marker in order to draw a little smiley face out of it. Add the hands and the antenna of it as well. Add the legs as well at the bottom. Finally, this is what it should look like. Add the body as well. Next, start off by drawing 2 ears and then connect it with the rest of the head of a little animated creature. Then at the bottom, draw on the hands and make it look like the hands and legs are holding on to something. This something will be a carrot. Draw on the carrot and then draw the top leaves as well. Add on the little face of this and then color it in as you please. We have chosen to color the carrot in orange and then green. Next, draw a little curved line and then on top of the curved line, add this R-like shape. Then on one side of it, begin to draw a face. The back portion of it will be a little hood or a cloak. Draw the rest of the dress and then at the bottom, add little boots to it as well. Add little hands to the cloak. Next, in front of this little girl, add a little flower and then add leaves on either side. Don't forget to add the stem of it as well. Use an orange marker in order to color this. Color the dress in yellow and then the hair in gold. Add red for the flower and then green for the leaves. Add rain all around. Next, take a blue marker and then write down an 8. Connect this 8 to the 7 and then a 2. Connect this to an almost 6. Make a little rat out of it at the tail. Thank you for watching.